Hello everyone, Game Show. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. This time I'm sharing a tutorial on this easy peasy Navratri makeup look. So please keep watching. For this look I'm applying a gel based moisturizer and massaging it very well into my skin. For this look, I am using a glowing primer underneath my base. Then, for concealing, I am first using a darker shade of concealer and I am camouflaging all my pigmentations with this darker shade of concealer. Then I'm using a lighter shade of concealer to balance the skin color. Then I applied a very thin layer of foundation all over the face. I'm now blending the foundation. While blending, I'm pressing the foundation with my brush onto the skin so that it gives a very natural and subtle look. I love this technique because the base does not look cakey or made up. Since it's Navratri and you'll be dancing and sweating a lot, so it's a good idea to keep the base really simple and not add many layers onto the skin. Just a corrector or concealer, a foundation, and lastly set it with a loose powder and you're good to go. Now I'm applying the leftover foundation on the eyelids as a base for the eyeshadow. Blending it well. Then I'm setting my base with this loose powder. I'm using a very light hand while applying it, and also I'm not using too much of the product. Make sure you're using enough powder to set your base so that your base stays put for a longer period of time. Setting my eyebrows with a tinted brow gel. For the eyes, I'm keeping it very simple, just a regular brown neutral eyes with a smudged liner, that's it. For this look, since I wanted to keep it very simple, so I did not use any shimmers or glitters. But if you like, you can go ahead and use the shimmers and glitters and apply it on the center of your eyelids. I love doing a smudge liner on the eyes. I'm using this green lipstick as my blush. I applied the same shade on my lips. Now I'm doing my most favorite part of this look, which is like adding these tiny little dots on my face. This is what I believe is called chundada in Gujarati. Also, I added some fake lashes and mascara off camera. I decided to skip the highlighter for this look since there will be a lot of shine already on the face due to all the dancing and sweating. And here is the completed look. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and drop your suggestions, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!